Hey everyone, how to download YouTube video legally without any problem. Hey everyone, let's talk about how to download YouTube videos in the right way without breaking any rules. Click on YouTube icon and now just click on any video that you want to download. Just like that, I'm gonna tap here and you will see there is an ads. Just skip it.
आजकल के बच्चे
And now just you will see an option here that's called download. Just tap on here and now the video will going to download again in your download section. Choose your preferred quality like 360 pixel, 720 or 1080 pixel. Once it's downloaded, you can find it under the download tab in your library. Like here you will see there is a download library here. Just click on here and now you will see that your video has
आजकल के बच्चे
been
पहले
downloaded. Keep in mind that the downloaded option only work for the offline viewing inside the YouTube app, and now you have to buy premium to download videos above 720 pixels. No shady third-party sites needed. Trust me, this is the safest way to save your favorite videos for travels or on a low signal area. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.